Now let us begin with the different phases of a mitotic division, of a mitotic cell division. So each of these phases, they are characterized by some specific event that occur in these phases. So we will study about this here. So the first phase is prophase, the first phase. So in prophase, the cell begins the process of the division. So in this phase, an important event takes place, that is the condensation of the chromatin fibers to form chromosomes. So what happens? The chromatin fibers or the chromatin materials, they start condensation. They start condensing. They get thickened. They get condensed to form the chromosomes. So from chromatin fibers, chromosomes are formed. So in the beginning of prophase, the nuclear membrane, it disappears. The nuclear membrane, it dissociate or it disappears. Then the nucleolus also disappears, and other organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, all these organelles, they start disappearing in prophase. Next, we have studied that the chromatin fibers, it gets condensed to form chromosomes. Each chromosomes, they consist of two sister chromatids that are attached at centromeres. So this is a chromosome. It consists of two sister chromatids. Sister chromatids means these two. This is one, this is second. So these two are the sister chromatids, and they are attached at centromere. This region is the centromere. This is centromere. And this, it has a proteinaceous disc, or you can say plate like structure called as kinetochore. So this one, this plate like structure, this is the kinetochore. And this kinetochore, it holds the chromosome. It holds the chromosome together, and it attach them to the spindle fiber. So this attach them to the spindle fiber with the help of kinetochore. And these spindle fibers are nothing but the microtubules. And one more event will occur, the centrioles. These two are the centrioles. They start migrating towards the opposite poles. So they will move towards the opposite poles. These are the spindle fibers. Spindle fibers. These two are the centrioles. Here we have the chromosomes. These two will be sister chromatids, and this center region is the centromere. Now in your textbook, they have mentioned one more phase, that is pro-metaphase. Before metaphase and after prophase, we have one more phase, that is pro-metaphase. So what happens here? During this phase, the microtubules of the spindle, they attach with the kinetochore of condensed chromosome. So the spindle fibers, the microtubules of the spindle fibers, they will attach themselves with the kinetochore. Can you see here? These spindle fibers get attached to the kinetochore, and this is the chromosome. Now, what actually happens in metaphase? The chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell, that is the metaphase plate, with the centrioles at the opposite end, and the spindle fiber is attached to the centromeres. So what actually happens here? The chromosomes, these are the chromosomes, they align themselves in the middle of the cell. They will align themselves in the middle, or you can say in the equatorial plate. This is the equatorial plate we also call it as metaphase plate. So the chromosomes are aligned in the equatorial plate or the metaphase plate, and one of the chromatid of each chromosomes is connected to the spindle fiber from one pole. One of the chromatid, suppose this chromatid upper one, it is attached to the spindle fiber. Suppose this upper chromatid is attached to the spindle fiber from one pole, and its sister chromatid, that is the, suppose the lower chromatid, this one, is connected to the spindle fiber from the opposite pole. So both the chromatids are attached to the spindle fibers at different opposite poles. Here main thing is the chromosomes align themselves in the equatorial plate, or you can say in the metaphase plate.